So yes guys, so this is it when it's finished. So I'm gonna cut it, all right, and let you guys see. So this is it. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Lasagna, tasty. Try it guys. I'm gonna tell me all about it. Remember, I will be listing all the ingredients that I use into this video today. Nice and tasty lasagna. Still hot. Don't forget to press the bell so that you could be notified whenever I post. Please don't stop skipping the ads, please. Thanks in advance for all my new subscribers. Welcome to all those who been there from day one. Thank you for your support. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some lasagna. Alright, in this board here, on this board I have some tomato, bell pepper, onion. I have the sweet and the white onion. I have some scallion, parsley, complete seasoning. I have some cayenne pepper. I have some garlic powder. I have some sugar. All right. This is some cheddar cheese, mozzarella and cheddar cheese. I have some ricotta cheese. All right. I have here some chicken, grind chicken, and also some turkey, grind turkey. All right. The lasagna that I'll be using is oven ready lasagna. Okay, I'm gonna add I have here the pizza sauce. All right, I'm gonna add some salt into this. Yes, the salt will be listed in the description bar down below. All right, so now that you've seen the water kind of little coming to a boil, I'm going to start adding the lasagna, and I'm going to boil it for like 10 to 11 minutes. All right, so stay tuned. So now this is finished. I'm going to drain this, and now I'm going to add because this meat has not washed all of this liquid here. I'm going to drain it off, and I will be back. All right, you see, I will be draining off all this liquid. Stay tuned. So as you can see, I drain out all of the liquid from this cannery. So from the meat, I'm going to add just a little oil so that I could fry up the about 2 tablespoons. All right, garlic. Now tomato is optional. You don't have to. Alright. I have some fresh chopped parsley. I have some onions. Now I'm gonna add the this tomato get a little salt. I'm gonna add the meat right back into this. Let it fry up, alright? So now I add the meat. Let it fry for a little 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna add the sauce. Then this spices. Alright, when this meat almost near to finish, then I'm gonna add the fry up, then I'm gonna add the bell pepper. Alright, now remember, we didn't salt up this, we didn't season up this meat, so we're gonna do this now. This is the green seasoning. I didn't think I mentioned that before. Salt, complete seasoning, I'm going to cover this down. I'm going to add a little water into the same container and okay. So I'll just add some fresh parsley with the roasted scattered cheese, if I'm pronouncing it properly. I'm mixing this all up. Alright, and this here finished. I'm gonna take this off now, and we're gonna start with the next step. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna set the oven with 380 degree or 400. Okay, stay tuned. So I got a 9 by 13 baking dish. That's what I'm gonna be using. All right, so before I'm gonna add a little bit of this meat all of the bottom. All right, and then I'm gonna place the, so then I'm gonna start by spreading the lasagna. And then we're gonna spread the Scottish cheese from one end to the other. All right, so after finish spreading this Scottish cheese, and then I spread some mozzarella and some cheddar cheese, I'm gonna spread the meat. I will repeat in the process until I finish. Stay tuned. So this is it. So we're gonna spread some cheese, cheddar cheese, and then some mozzarella, then some cheddar again. All right. So I'm gonna add put this into the oven, 400 degree. I'm gonna let it cook for like an hour, and then I'm gonna check it. All right, so stay tuned. So yes guys, so this is it when it's finished. So I'm gonna cut it. All right, and let you guys see. So this is it. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Lasagna, tasty. Try it guys. I'm gonna tell me all about it. Remember, I will be listing all the ingredients that I use into this video today. Nice and tasty lasagna. Still hot. Don't forget to press the bell so that you could be notified whenever I post. Please don't stop skipping the ads, please. Thanks in advance for all my new subscribers. Welcome to all those who been there from day one. Thank you for your support. See you in the next one. Bye bye.